Hey, what's up, YouTube? Happy New Year to all. This might be our last one for the year, which is even better for me because I need a break. But anyway, we are replacing the fuel pump on a 2010 Chevy 1500. Yep. And they say that this is what goes bad on. Let me try the old one. They say this is what goes bad. Like, don't break the new one. On the older ones. It's a pretty interesting setup. And so, guess you gotta take these off as well because the new ones don't come with them, and put those on there as well, or it won't stay on there. But yeah, we had to support it with 2 jack stands. It wasn't as hard getting the bed up. It was probably harder getting the bolts out because they probably been sitting for so long, and so the bolts probably was the most challenging part. So we got that up. Gotta get real. Matter of fact, he just dropped it back in there. And so I'm gonna have this back on the road in no time. It was still starting. We were saying to ourselves, like, we are surprised that it's still starting after all the build up on the old model.
Don't forget your gaskets, kids.
Yeah, don't forget your gaskets, kids. Well, like I said, none of this was really hard except for getting those bolts out up under the truck. Those was the hardest part. I had to get extension with the angle adapter to get her off. This is my choice of setup right here, and that was an 18 or 19, I should say. Like I said, on this one we had 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and the guy that I was watching before this, he said just take them out where they barely come out so that the bed won't slide down when you raise the bed. And be sure to wear some safety glasses if you're working on this year, because I have mad mud in my eyes, mad dirt in my eyes. I'm still trying to get out now, but overall, it wasn't too hard, it wasn't too bad.
We can clean this up then?
Yeah, I can clean her up. Take that wire brush to her. Yeah, these get beat up pretty bad. What do you think? I gotta splice them? So I'm gonna go ahead and take and clean this up, you guys. I'll be right back shortly.